Hey everyone, if you just unboxed a brand new MacBook in 2026, congratulations, but don't stop at the basic set wizard. The default settings just aren't optimized for most people. Today I'm sharing the first 15 things to do on new MacBook Air setups that will make your Mac faster, more secure, better on battery, and way more enjoyable to use. These sets work perfectly on macOS Tahoe and you will save you headaches later. Let's dive in. Start the most important one. Quick note, I'm assuming you've already gone for the initial Apple subway for Apple ID. If not, I'll do this stuff first. This video is right after that. If you're new there, hit subscribe and the bell for more macOS tips every week. Let's get your new MacBook dialed in. Go to settings, chapter 1, only macOS first. Go to system settings, general, software update. Install any available updates for macOS Tahoe, including point releases like 21, 26.1, or whatever is current. This fixes bugs and improves performance right out of the box. Next, chapter 2, enable file vault and basic security. Next, protect your data. System settings, pricing and security, file vault. Turn on the set recovery key. Also add extra Touch ID, fingerprints, or Touch ID and password. This is crucial for a new MacBook. Chapter 3, set time machine backup. Never skip backups. Plug in an external drive before using the network one. Then go to System Settings, General, Time Machine, and Set Up. Do this early. It makes future migrations painless. Chapter 4, iCloud, sync everything. Hit the System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, turn on iCloud Drive, photos, contacts, cameras, keychain, and anything else you use. This keeps your new MacBook in perfect sync with your iPhone or iPad. Chapter 5, customize the dock. System settings, desktop and dock. Enable automatic hide and show dock. Adjust size and magnifications, move as you don't use daily. Position on the side if you prefer more screen space. Chapter 6, trackpad and mouse suite. System settings, trackpad. Turn on tap to click. Free finger drag. Increase tracking speed. This is the default field so for most people. Test yes, like mission control app expose. Chapter 7. Display appearance optimization. System settings. Display. Set roosters and more space for extra real estate. Under appearance, choose like dark auto and reduce transparency if you want sharper text. Also take your wallpaper screensaver here. Chapter 8, battery health and power settings. System settings, battery, and optimize battery charging, and low power mode options. Check battery health, keep it in normal range. These sets help your MacBook last longer on a charge. Chapter 9, spotlight and search cleanup. To clean up spotlight, system settings, Siri spotlight might be it's also or Apple Intelligence and Siri. Uncheck categories. You don't need so search are faster, more relevant. Learn the basics. Command plus space is your new best friend. Chapter 10. Finder preferences. Open Finder settings. Set new Windows Finder window show to your home or desktop. Show pad bar, status bar. It'll show all following extensions. This makes file management way smoother. Chapter 1 for 14. Quick additional wins. Combine these for space. Organize desktops and downloads. Create folders and set downs to ask where to save. Number 12, menu bar customization. Hide show items via control center or third party if needed, but stick to built-in. Number 13, keyboard shortcuts review, especially for short screenshots and window management. Number 14, it's almost must-have free app in the App Store. Easy if you withdraw with your audience, but keep light. Chapter 15, file polish and test. Restart your MacBook, test everything, and enjoy. Your new Mac should now feel faster, more personal, and ready for daily use. Those were my top 15 first things to do on a new MacBook Air 7 2026. Which one surprised you most, or did I miss like you always do? Comment below. If this helped your new MacBook set, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more macOS Tahoe tips, hidden features, and productivity tips, and Minecraft videos. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.